Welcome to this unboxing where in a moment I'm going to be giving you the chance to win a set of a limited edition Super Bruni crankbrothers Mallet DH pedals. Really exciting, don't they look ace? Super Bruni! Spanking! Blue and red! Red and blue! Yes, and we've got 4 sets to give away, and don't they look amazing? I can't wait to get into the details of this pedal. The Mallet DH from Crankbrothers is something of a legendary pedal, but this one especially so, because it's got the stamp of the legend himself, Loic Bruni, double world downhill champion. He'll be debuting this Super Bruni edition this weekend at the first round of the World Cup downhill in Los Angeles. And we're going to be taking a look at this pedal in more detail and obviously giving you that chance to win them. Pretty cool, eh? Don't they look rad? Should we get them out of the box? I think we should. Oh, look at those. God, they look great. Let's look at them in a bit more detail. First impression, I'd say I really like this matte black. Got the checker plate design on the traction pads as you expect on the Mallet DH. Got the Mallet logo there, Crankbrothers there. I guess the most striking thing though is these accenting colours. Look at that. You've got the blue on the left, red on the right, opposing colour on the spring itself. And then look at this, the money shot, the Super Bruni logo. Very superhero, very cool. Let's take a look at the detail, the design of the body of the pedal. So the Super Bruni edition of the Mallet DH comes in the standard shape that was redesigned in 2018. It includes this chamfered edge to avoid rock strikes and also gives a lovely point of colourway, which I really like. If you look just down that line there, it's actually concave, so it fits to the arch of your foot perfectly. And then you've got these 8 pins, 4 each side, all adjustable. You can tweak these to the shape and fitting of your foot so you get a really good grip on this pedal. There's a 57mm Q factor for stability at speed, and then you've got this adjustable float and release. 479 grams for a pair. They're light but strong enough to take on the rigours of downhill. As with the traditional Mallet DH, the Super Bruni is used in a stainless steel spring and cleat system. Obviously you want this to be incredibly strong for the thousands and thousands of times you're going to be clipping in and out. Let's talk traction pads. This is a big part of the Mallet DH pedal, the adjustability. You can change this thickness just here, sliding this pad out at those 2 points and putting a slightly thicker one in. 1mm difference doesn't sound much, but it makes a lot of difference to how this pedal feels. Changing that depth means you've got a different grip and a different feel when you clip in. You can also change the angle across the pedal, having a thicker pad one side to the opposing side. You can really dial this pedal in to fit your foot and your riding. It's a performance pedal. Now the axle itself is running on some high quality bearings. On the outboard side here, you've got an enduro bearing cartridge that's going to run for years. Then you've got an Igus glide bearing on the inside here, and that is all happily sealed with that external seal. Last thing in the box are the cleats themselves, maybe one of the important parts of the deal, of course. They're actually adjustable as well. Come with these shims, which means you can put the shim in between the cleat and the shoe itself to adjust your ride. You can go without it if you like a slightly more planted feel. The cleats themselves are made of brass, but this gold colour can't help remind me of the Super Bruniness of these pedals. 2 gold cleats, they're like your own little World Championship medals. There we are, I think you'll agree, a pretty smashing set of pedals, and this is your chance to win some. We've got 4 pairs up for grabs. All you've got to do is follow the link in the description down below, where you'll be entering into a little quiz with 1 question. It's pretty easy, I think you're going to know the answer. I may well have given it away in this video. So you're going to find out if you're a winner on the Dirt Shed show this week, so don't miss that. You can actually click here to see the recent Dirt Shed show, and you can click on the globe to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up like if you like winning pedals, and best of luck. I hope one of these sets is yours.